All right, so now we're here on the LinkedIn Sales Navigator tool, which is the tool that I recommend if you're going to be doing a lot of in-depth and heavy prospecting, and you want to be able to connect with your target market and not get limited with the number of connections that you're able to send out and the messages that you can send out, and then also the profiles that you can look at. Because if you do not have the Sales Navigator, some profiles are going to be hidden. It's just going to say LinkedIn member. And so that's going to allow you to be able to see all those different profiles and send a lot more connections. So let's go ahead and take a look at this here. Now, the actual tool is going to be free for 30 days. They have a free 30-day trial. So if you want to test this out, highly recommend you start your free trial. I can almost guarantee that once you try this out and you're looking to generate more leads and sales for your business, and you see how powerful this is, you're going to want to continue with it on a month-by-month basis. Now, I think it's like $88 a month. It's very inexpensive in regards to the power and potential of it for as many connections that you can send and as many opportunities that you'll have in your pipeline. So highly recommend you get a free trial there. So let's go down here. So now, one of the great things that I love about the LinkedIn Sales Navigator is the advanced lead and company search, where you can break down your search criteria with keywords, geography, postal code, industry, first name, last name, relationships, titles, company. You can even break this down by revenue. So it really allows you to get very detailed and specific on your search criteria. Now, in the next video, you're going to be able to look at the entire LinkedIn Sales Navigator tool. It's going to be a complete tutorial and walkthrough so that you can use it to its full potential there. So they also have the lead recommendations. So what this does is it allows you to get recommended to you as far as different lead opportunities that may be within certain companies, certain target accounts, and LinkedIn will recommend those to you with the service. So then another thing that I like that the Sales Navigator has is the CRM integration. So you can integrate, let's say, Salesforce or Zoho or whatever kind of CRM that you have, or you can even use the Sales Navigator as a CRM tool in and of itself. They have a way to save leads, save contacts, and look at all your different communication that you had with the leads. And then you can look at deals here. You can set up actual deals that you've been able to go through your pipeline that you've won, real-time sales updates, notes, and tags. So you can tag different leads. And once again, you're going to have a full walkthrough and tutorial in the next video. And then you can also, obviously, who's viewed your profile. Now, the in-mail messages, this is something where I don't necessarily like and I haven't really used, because I look at these as kind of being spammy, because whenever I receive one of these, I know that somebody is trying to pitch me, sell me on their product or service. And then you have presentations, team link. So highly recommend the LinkedIn Sales Navigator tool for prospecting. Once again, you're going to have a complete tutorial in the next video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.